Hey guys, it's voiceover Sarah again. I didn't really film an intro for this part because I thought I was just gonna put it all into one video until I started editing and I realized that it would be way too long to all be in one video. So, in this part, you will see me bleach my hair and show you guys the finished product. Um, yes, I am aware that the back looks fucked in the beginning. I do fix it as well, and there are a couple of pictures of at the end of like what it looks like when it's all, lived in and whatever. Alright, so let's get into the video. Okay, we are back and it's time for the bleaching. This is what I ended up with. I think it looks pretty good, although I think I did fuck up the back. I'll probably just get my boyfriend to even it out when he gets home, fix it or whatever. I don't think I fucked it up too bad, but kind of sucks having a lazy eye and like trying to cut things straight and yeah. But now we're here for the bleach, so I got all the stuff. Came with this applicator bottle with developer lotion, lightening cream, booster thing, the actual bleach powder, and some treatment shit. Standard stuff. You mix these three things together, put the shit on your hair, leave it in for up to 45 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna get doing that. Gave them gloves. Gonna use the gloves. And let's just get going. I'm sure you guys, I'm sure most of you know like what hair dye is and how it works, so I don't think I need to walk you through a fucking box dye. So let's just go. Oh, it just went into the bottle. I'm sure that's not how you do it. Huh. Well, I don't know what to do now. I guess I gotta try and get it out. Try and pull it out with the scissors. Yeah, there we go. Good enough. Okay. We're gonna put this shit in the thing, and then put this shit in the thing, and then I gotta put this shit in the thing, and then you put the thing on your hair. Pretty easy. Cut the corner. I don't know why this bottle is like only half full of stuff. I guess the rest of the developer is in like this tube. Usually most hair dyes I get it's just like two things. But I guess with bleach, like they have to have the bleach powder too. And I've never used this brand before, like I said, so probably different. Dropping shit. Okay. This is gonna be a long video. Excuse me. That was gross. Girl, what the fuck? How you, like, why are you so hard to get out? What is this? Oh, just the whole small. Okay. I can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry, I'm just like squeezing the shit into the bottle. I'm not very good at this whole YouTube thing. Ooh. Oh, that's not good. I just dented the fucking bottle. Pushed too hard. Oh well. Pop that back. Can I pop it back? Yeah, there we go. Some bleach on my hand. Rinse that off. There. Every little bit is out. There we go. That's everything in there. Time to shake her up and put her on. Okay, that's well shooken. So let's get these gloves on. Oh, cute. It came in a little pouch. Wow. Usually they're just fucking thrown in the box. That's pretty cool. As you can see, my hair is nice and greasy and sweaty. So working great for bleaching it. All this nice virgin hair for me to fuck up again. God, these gloves are fucking gigantic. What the hell? Who's got hands this big? I mean, I'm sure so, like, I got tiny hands, but, like, you know, like, seriously. Who the hell is meant for? Jesus Christ. I should have just, like, stolen some gloves from work or something. Ridiculous. Holy God. Okay, whatever. I guess, like, we'll just, like, work with it. I think I just popped one of the fingers. Oh, well. Bleach on your hands doesn't hurt that much. I'm already white as fuck, so it's not like it's going to make my skin even whiter. I used to just bleach my hair with my bare hands anyways. So back when I was more dumb than I am now. Shake do. I should have probably grabbed the mirror again to do the back of my hair. I don't know why I put it back, but oh well. Ooh. Ooh, she's exploding. Okay, stop doing that. Fuck. Jesus. Big cloud like that much just like shot out into my sink. Okay, so let's start at the back. I'm gonna put it on my fingers and rub it in because I don't want to like squirt bleach shit all down my neck. So let's do that. And don't worry, I'm going to be putting more lightener on. I know I'm not saturating it that well right now, but it will be. I just like to get it all over my hair first, and then I focus on saturating everything. Had her life was okay, let's get in there. Say like maybe I could save it and do like another application after, because like this looks pretty well saturated. I might do that. I might, yeah. I should have like not mixed all of it, but this is enough, I think. I'm gonna do a little bit more by my ears just to make sure, by my baby hairs and everything else. Get it in there. Oh yeah. Bleach that ear. miss those. Bleach my face too, why not? This actually really doesn't sting that much. It's not really itching at all. It already looks like it's doing something too. And I don't have a mister to like squirt water under my hair. But yeah, I feel like I was probably sweating enough. Actually, maybe I do downstairs somewhere. I'll have to look. Brad Mondo says you gotta put water on your hair when you put the bag on because it makes steam and it makes heat and it makes the bleach better. I fucking love this. I look like the fucking lady from The Incredibles. Don't I? That's so awesome. I don't know if that's from the bleach or the virus. Okay. I think that's good. I think that's saturated. I don't see any real like mist spots. Like I said, I think it's hard for me to miss spots now. So let's bag her up and I'll see you guys in like 45 minutes. I'm gonna try and like save these gloves though for the other second application that I might do. We'll have to see how bright this turns out. Cause, yeah. Did I get it all? I think I did. Yeah, I did. There's no way I didn't get it all. Alright, bag is on. Time to process. I will see you guys in a little while. It's already been like 20 minutes since I started applying it, so I'm probably just going to wait like half an hour. And that'll be close enough. Alright, bye-bye. See you in a bit. Okay, so a quick update. As you can see, she's turning nice and white. It's been half an hour. I took the bag off and I put more bleach on just to check the integrity here. So what you want to do when you're bleaching your hair is you want to check the integrity when you're done to see if you can push it further. Because I want it like white. So that if your hair doesn't stretch, just grab like a tiny section like this, just a few strands, and if you pull your hair and it pulls taut, it doesn't stretch, then your hair is still good. You still got good integrity. As you can see by me doing that, my hair is still good, so I'm probably going to push it for another 5 or 10 more minutes just to make sure I get that really nice icy white. I don't think I'm going to have to do another application. Alright guys, I'm back. This is done. It's the final look. Sorry, in the bathroom, it kind of looks a little bit orange. It doesn't look that orange in real life, like I promise you. It's like blonde. It's blonde. I don't think I'm going to need to bleach again. I think just a little bit of toner will do. The shampoo actually had like, it was like purple kind of, the conditioner stuff or whatever it was that it came with. So, like, I don't know if that did anything to help make it look more blonde, but it's blonde. I'll throw up a few pictures and like better lighting and whatever, but I'm really happy with how this came out. It's giving me all the Draco Malfoy vibes I ever wanted. And here's the back. I kind of did some more work on it. I touched up the sides of the back a little bit with the buzzer a little bit more, so hopefully it looks better now from the back. I think it does personally. But like I said, it doesn't matter because by the time I'm able to fucking leave my house again, like my hair will have grown out enough so that I can pay a professional to get it fixed. But I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I like it with the bangs down too, even though it kind of gives me like Justin Bieber vibes. I don't know how I feel about that. Or like, can I speak to your manager kind of vibes? I don't know about that. But you know, I like it. I love how it turned out. I think I like it kind of more slicked back like this, like how I had it before. I think that's how I'm probably going to wear it most of the time. Or like kind of like just messy maybe. Because it does look pretty cute when it's just like down and like messed up. At least I think so. But trying to not have it look Justin Bieber-y is the thing. Nothing against Justin Bieber. I just hate his music. Yeah, I'm super, super happy with this. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, thank you for joining me on this hair journey. Hello, it's voiceover Sarah back at it again with the outro. I don't think I mentioned it in the video, but I am going to be toning it as well later on. I did order some silver hair dye stuff from Amazon, so hopefully it'll get here soon. Hopefully I can get it toned, and I don't know if I'm gonna like edit this video and re-upload this video and put them at the end with these pictures here. These pictures, by the way, are after a couple of days. You can see how it looks when it's a little bit more lived in. But yeah, maybe I'll just make a separate video about toning it. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. But yeah, I will see you then. I hope you guys have enjoyed this journey, and I'm sorry for this being so long. Have a good night. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.